Today, we're diving into the word ihan, which you might come across when discussing rules, especially in legal or formal settings. The word ihan means to violate or breach rules, laws, or agreements. The first kanji means being different, a mistake, or violation, and often shows contrast or something that goes against expectations. A common word is chigao, which uses this idea to mean that two things are not the same. And iho uses it to show that an action goes against rules or law. The second kanji means opposition or turning against and is used for ideas of resistance or reversal. You see that in hantai, where it expresses taking an opposite stance, and in hansei, where it signals looking back on one's actions and admitting a reversal or correction. He violated the rules. 彼は規則違反をしました。彼は規則違反をしました。He committed a traffic violation. 彼は交通違反をしました。彼は交通違反をしました。He broke the contract. 彼は契約違反しました。彼は契約違反しました。He committed an infringement of the rules. 彼は反則違反をしました。彼は反則違反をしました。The most common synonym of the word ihan is ihin. They both imply acting against rules, but ihin may sometimes be used more broadly or in different dialects. The most common antonym of the word ihan is junshu. While ihan indicates breaking rules, junshu refers to complying with or obeying them.